afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Still in the spirit of Easter, I want to introduce 6 books that I've written this season. But I will start with the first one. It says, Give Me Your Hand. Now, the idea is, have you wondered why some persons behave the way they behave? And you wonder, why is this person behaving like this? Some persons are very difficult even to be pleased. Even when you try to please them, they are just so difficult. And you wonder why they are behaving that way. In fact, when these persons are with you in the same circle, maybe the same church, the same organization, the same family, the same house, it becomes a difficult problem. Now, this book portrays principles. This life is a system. When you look at the principles, they are just internal. When you apply any principle, no matter where you apply, principles don't know age, they don't know size, they don't know sex, they don't know location. When you apply, you get the same result. We are talking about principles that improve human interrelations. And we are harnessing the principles of the scriptures to improve how we relate with each other and to maximize our relationship with one another. So the book title says, Give Me Your Hand. Now, what it means is that you don't always want to wait for the next person to stretch forth their hand. You don't want to wait for them to agree to relate with you. When you understand what to do, you stretch forth your hands to relate with them. Now, what will this book do for you? When you read this book, it will automatically improve how you relate with one another. The truth is that we are all relational beings. We exist on this earth because of relationship. Relationship is our highest asset. When at the end of the day, what is going to count in our life is how much of our relationship we have been able to maximize and how much relationship we have been able to build. We are where we are today because of relationship. We're going to move from here to there because of relationship. You will know somebody will know you, and that's how the system is structured. So what I'm saying is, you need this book to improve your relationship, your relational skills with people. The second one is that when you read this book, it will place you on an edge. Maybe you are in an organization. People promote those who know how to relate. And in fact, when we relate properly, we tend to have an influence over people, and we do well in leadership. The third one is among Christians, where we are having a situation whereby the church is becoming more and more in disunity. This book has a way of pulling us together as one in the body of Christ. He says, Give me your hand. And the subtitle is Power to Work with Anyone. I'm going to drop the link on the comment box to trace it to Amazon. It's just $5, and it's going to bless you. Let me hear your comment after reading. Let me hear what your experience over the book is all about, and then so I can improve to do better books. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.